take a couple of pluses out.
That was one time.
This is our tensioner. It's on a concentric bush.
It's not really that the belt breaks on these though, is it? It's that it blocks the oil pickup.
They're all sized for each space to get the clearance correct. That's it. Just break. Right. I've got it. You got it, Martin? Yep, I've got it. You got it? What's called an MLS gasket, so multi-layer steel. So there's different makeups. So there's a sandwich plate in the middle, which is slightly softer. Yeah. And that's what compresses and creates the seal between the three.
Alright, it's Marshall's hand cutters on. Scrutiny.
253.
I'm sure it was skimmed.
Into deck measurement here.
Okay. Just bear in mind not to try and walk around just to damage the base.
Yeah, move roundabout.
Spigot face at the back that you can clamp onto. You don't want it. What I do is just want to manually turn it, just make sure that I'm flush up against this side here. Which is pretty good. I'm just trying to technique to that. So see the lathe wants to fight here. You can feel when the tape wants to pull. Think that we've done enough. BD just flushes that stuff out. Just like basic pressure. We're up into some crazy high put the frame on the back of the engine and then just lift it. You have to have the ring perfectly flat. Try and aim for the middle. So side down to meet it. Oil and it will just drain away it will actually protect the bearing when we... Nice. And drop it in. Contained in the cylinder.
I'll work on 3.2.
Okay.
Yes. So,
The Super Bowl was Heinz advertising mustard and but like
so it's 038 clearance.
yeah.
Because obviously that plasticine then deforms to whatever space it's got inside. Actually feel when the dwell's about to come on, so like I can see it, so you can see the numbers when the give it a trap.
Where's it? What's my son?
The way I want. It's not that heavy.
What's that?
They can't even deliver it.
This is not too good.
The actual brass, and it's what's called a keep plate. The mallet, not copper end, just loosen that and pull it off. Even if you like marked it really precisely. Sorry about flicking it off, yeah. We'll do that when we wash it. Go round it first, tap it all. Yeah. Feedback for next time, check. The selector hubs on it and all dogs on.
Yeah.
So then that drives your main shaft, and then on your main shaft you've got all of these what are called selector forks actuating dog rings on the selector hubs where they can slide. Yeah. wiggle as it's there. So when we take this off, you'll see it's got. Yep. There you go. Lovely. Pieces. So you can see. A wash.
Have you got the box pristine thing?
Magnetised, and basically the TikTok has entered the room. See how it's starting to go like a paley pink on the sides? That's the kind of colour you're looking for.
Too big. Unless they sent us the wrong one.
Make sure that you've got two of those ears, but yeah, then get the last one on, and then do the same again with the that's it, and rotate it around. It's the same way for those. Plenty of oil.
So we're about spot on with that. Repeat.